What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Carolina Styles, and I am back with another video, man. Back with another bang. I told y'all we dropping at least 2 to 3 videos a week, man. So y'all already know what time it is. This video number 2, and I will be dropping one on Sunday. So this one's dropping Friday night, and the other one's dropping Sunday. So y'all stay tuned. This gonna be a simple video, man. And I'm looking at the truck now, man. She look over there looking scrumptious, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? She's sitting 7.5 in the front, 7 in the back. So you got a small little baby lean, you feel me? But, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry that I'm just trying to bring more onto the channel. Trying to get back in the bag. You know what I'm saying? Show my personality. I got a goofy personality for the ones who know me and who hang around me now. Got a goofy personality, man. Always been like that. Always am. Humble guy. Always will be. You feel me? And I serve the Almighty, because without him none of this is possible, and without him my channel wouldn't be doing what it's doing, man. We have probably had about 60 to 80 new subscribers last month, bro, and I'm blessed to actually see that and have that. Subscribers been going up every week, man. I'm blessed to see it. I want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart, man. Let's keep this grind going. Let's keep the channel growing. And we gonna hit that 1,000 subscribers. I mean, yeah, we gonna hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, baby. But enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get into today's video about that chrome package we added onto the truck. So let me go ahead and show y'all what the box came in, and let me go ahead and unveil it for y'all. Like y'all, you already know what I do. You feel me? I don't open the box. If I'm shooting a video, I don't open the box until I'm on camera. So y'all can get my reaction on how everything looks. So let's go ahead and open up this box, baby. So this joint is what it came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for y'all, let y'all see how it look. I had to turn the box around because, you know, I got my address and stuff on here. We ain't linking that, you feel me? Ain't no linking going on. I ain't famous, but I'm well known. She well known. So, you know, we not linking that. You feel me? But let's go ahead and open this up, man. Alright, I know it's good up in here because that tape's strong. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing but a little piece of chrome package, and they let you know what goes on what. This goes on the front left side. It goes on the front right. But yeah, man, the only thing you do is take this stuff off, and you got some adhesive tape on the back, and you just stick it on there, man. Like I said, just a little quick little install, man. This goes up here. Oh no, that's the rear left. I mean, that's the rear right. You know, goes up on here, like so. Feel me it already? Hey. Let me go ahead and get this thing situated. So, basically, for the front, I'm gonna have to take the mirror off, make sure I clean it real good, take the mirror off, and stick it on there. And the back, I can just stick it on there. So, let me go ahead and drop this. And y'all see me in the process of taking the mirror off. Let's get it. So let me tell you how dumb I am. You ain't even gotta, oh my bad, you ain't even gotta take the lighter part of none of that. This sucker right here fits straight on there, snug. Look at it, straight on there. Go ahead and let me go ahead and pick this camera up and let y'all see it after I finish this one side. Alright, I got them on. As you can see, they on. I ain't take the plastic tape off of them yet. Decided I'll get back on the camera. And rip the plastic tape off. So let me go ahead and show y'all what they look like. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. That's how you can tell how good that adhesive tape is. Because I'm gonna go on the inside and grab that adhesive tape over there. But Y'all tell me what y'all think about it, man. Y'all look at it. Look. Hold on, let me. Y'all see me? Hold on, right here. Y'all see me? Yes, y'all see me? Bruh. For what I paid for it and the outcome and how this thing look, boy, let me tell you. 10 out of 10, I highly recommend, man. I highly recommend. I'm trying to tell you. I love the way this thing came out, dog. For real. Like, I love the way the chrome hits on top of that. You know what I'm saying? Just imagine when I wash it, because she dirty. Like, the rims are... Let me let y'all look at the rims real quick, man. Look at the rims. Look, you see that? You see that? I just put my... She dirty right now, dog. But I ain't watching her until the showtime, which is tomorrow, y'all. So I ain't watching her till tomorrow, man. I'm dropping this video tonight. Like a quick little video showing y'all how to install the steel window chrome molding, whatever they call it, because I call it the window molding on the outside, you feel me? But they got a specific name, so I will put the name in the title so y'all know how to search it up and look for it if y'all want to do this to y'all trucks. I'm not gonna hold back a lot of information from y'all, man. That's why I do YouTube, so y'all can find what I find and do what I do to a certain extent, because when y'all copy me to a certain T, I'm gonna have to switch it up on y'all. Anyway, man, I love y'all, man. Y'all can follow me up to a T. I don't care. That's just showing me I'm doing something right when somebody want to follow me. But anyway, man, that's enough rambling. We gonna go ahead and end this video right here, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it, how y'all like it down in the comment section below, man. But this your boy Carolina Styles. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification button up. Come rock with the Styles gang. 2023, we going up, baby. We on that way to 1K subscribers. We already sitting at 100, probably 120, 130 total views on the channel. So we doing our thug dizzle, you feel me? And you know we gotta add more chrome to it, man. They said chrome get your dome, yo, feel me? Let me stop, man. I'm a change, man. I ain't like that. Like I said, I'm just joking around on the camera and see how y'all like it. I know I gotta open up a little more with my personality, man. But anyway, this your boy Carolina Styles, man. I'm signing out. Peace. Hey, look for that video on Sunday. Let's go.